Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Today we're going to talk about the two IPOs. One is Shyam Metalics and second is Sona Comstar. So first about Shyam Metalics, few things one you need to know. Shyam Metalics is into business of basically manufacturing, producing these kind of ferrous alloys, like metals. You can say these kind of round figures. They produce these materials. So it is one of the largest exporter as well as manufacturer of such kind of ferrous metals. So it is coming up with an IPO which is opening up on 14th of June, which is yesterday, and it will close for subscription tomorrow, which is 16th of June. So should you be applying for this IPO or not? We'll talk as we move ahead on this presentation. So it is a 909 crore initial public offer, which is closing on 16th of June, out of which 657 crores is fresh, which is fresh money, which is going to be raised, which is used to, which is going to be used for expansion purposes. And offer for sale is 252 crores, which is a good thing. The promoter holding is almost post the IPO subscription is done. The promoter holding still remains to be 88%, which is again a good thing. The SEBI rule says that promoter holding should be 75%, but that can be brought down in the later part of the years, which is 3 years. They are given 3 years to bring down the holdings to 75%. But this is a positive point for the Shyam IPO. So fresh issue is 657 crores, offer for sale is 252 crores, minimum bid size is 45 shares at a price band of 303 to 306, which is approximately 15 odd thousand. The listing is going to be on NSE and BSE. So as we discussed, the Shyam Metalics is into metal producing company in India into ferrous alloys. It is one of the largest producers of ferrous alloys in terms of installed capacity as of February 2021. As per the management commentary, they are going to double the capacity after this IPO is launched, after the fresh money which they raise, which is 657 crores. They're going to double the capacity. So it goes well with the company. The company operates 3 manufacturing plants, which is in Sambalpur in Odisha, Jamuria, and Mangalpur in West Bengal. So the installed capacity is 5.71 million ton, which they are planning to expand to approximately 11.6 million ton. The strengths is that it has a diversified product mix. So and it is one of the largest producer of these ferrous alloys, as we discussed. And Orissa and West Bengal are near the mineral-rich belt of iron ore, manganese ore, chrome ore, and coal, which means that the easy sourcing of raw material which is used to produce ferrous alloys, it's nearby their manufacturing unit, so it goes well with the company. On the financial side, I would say the revenue has been increasing 3920 to 4685 to in FY22, FY2020 it was 4395. However, the fourth quarter result is awaited, which is again a plus point because we feel that JSW Steel and Tata Steel have come out with wonderful numbers for the fourth quarter, and Shyam Metalics being in the same industry can come up with strong Q4 numbers. So you can see listing gains, or whenever the IPO is launched and it is listed, then we can also expect the fourth quarter results to be announced, thereby hiking the prices in the near term. On the peer group comparison, it seems to be a good bet because the EPS seems to be good. The return on net worth is also good. The price to earning multiple is also decent. So the valuation looks good to us. So this was on the Shyam Metalics IPO. I'll quickly cover up on Sona Comstar. So Sona Comstar is basically they make these auto parts which is used to combine the two wheels and the axle between it. So these are two wheels, this is the axle, so it combines this axle to the wheel. So that is what they are into, and plus they are into other auto parts as well. And it is one of the, you can say, one of the producers of auto parts which is going to be used for electric vehicles. So given the electric vehicle themes works out, Sona Comstar can be one of the beneficiaries out of this theme. So we are positive on Sona Comstar from a long-term perspective. However, one thing to notice is that it is raising 550 crore from the public through the IPO, out of which only 300 crores is a fresh issue and 5 to 50 crore is offer for sale, which means the existing stakeholders will exit, which are Blackstone entity and which is a Singapore Topco PT Limited, and the company will only use 241 crores from the fresh issue to pay debt, and rest will be used for expansion. So there is hardly any money left for expansion purposes. So that is one area which we feel that the company has no expansion plans, at least from the fresh issue. It is only going to off-stake the existing holders' stake. So the fresh issue is only amounting to 300 crores. The offer for sale is 5 to 50 crores. The minimum bid size is 51 shares. It is going to be listed on NSE and BSE. Who owns Sona Comstar? Blackstone and Sona Autocom. This is the bifurcation, and it is into the business of auto part firms, designs, makes, and supplies of electric, non-electric powertrains for vehicle makers. The customers include Volvo Cars, Jaguar, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Eichers, and others. The again, it has a concentrated customer base, which means the top 10 clients contribute to almost 80% of the revenues, which is again can be a dangerous or a risk side. This is the product mix, that it is into differential gas, micro hybrid, starter motors, conventional motors, starter motors, and differential assembly. So just to make it simple, it is into auto parts, which is used, which the electric vehicle manufacturers or the electric vehicle components it will contribute. So as we said, the objective of the IPO is to offload the stake and raise another fresh capital, out of which 244 crores will be used to pay debts. On the financial side, we feel that it is a little overvalued. So when it comes to peer comparison, it is almost, you can say, little costlier as compared to its peers. So on the valuation front, as you see, the price to book value is almost 13 times as compared to other listed companies, which is 2, 6, 4, and 2 times. So we feel that this is an overvalued proposition. However, because the electric vehicle theme is supposed to be growing at the rate of 36% CAGR, and that is where the bet is on this company. So overall, a good company to invest in from a long-term perspective. So we suggest to uh, buy from a long-term perspective and not from a listing gain perspective. So somebody who's looking to invest on electric vehicle theme can invest in this company, Sona Comstar. So two IPOs, Shyam Metalics, which we suggest from a short-term to medium-term perspective can be a good bet, and Sona Comstar from a long-term electric vehicle theme should be a good bet. So to apply for these two IPOs, one has to apply through the net banking or through the UPI route, and one should have a demat account. So in case you do not have a demat account, you can apply to open a demat account via us in 2 minutes. We'll leave a link in the comment or the chat or the description box from wherever you are watching this video. You can click on that link, and it's a do-it-yourself link where you need to upload your PAN card, Aadhaar card, cancel check, and within 2 minutes your account gets activated. You can also chat with one of our team members to handhold you in terms of the application process. So we'll also leave a chat, or you can say a link, which when you click it will convert to a chat box where you can directly chat with one of our executives on WhatsApp, and he or she will guide you on a step to step process as to how to apply for an IPO. So in case you already have a demat account and you need help in the application process, you can chat with our team members. And in case you do not have a demat account, you can activate the demat account by clicking on the link below, where we've highlighted as to how to open a demat account, and our team members will help you in terms of uh, applying the IPO as well. So thank you so much for the watch. Have a wonderful investing experience, and we wish you all the best. Thank you so much.